हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड बहुत ही खुशी है टू डिस्क्लोज़ कि फाइनली मेरा चैनल मोनेटाइज हो गया है बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल ऑफ योर लव. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑलवेज शोइंग सपोर्ट एंड लव टू माय चैनल एंड टू माय सोशल मीडिया. सो थैंक यू गाइस सो मच. एंड आज का बहुत ही स्पेशल लुक, क्योंकि समर चल रहा है, मानसून है, तो ऑफ कोर्स एज यू कैन सी आई एम ऑल ड्रेस्ड अप कि आज एक बहुत ही कलरफुल सा समर कलर मेकअप लुक करने वाले हैं. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू क्रिएट दिस लुक. एंड यू कैन सी आई एम ऑल ड्रेस्ड अप एंड माई हेयर इज़ डन, क्योंकि ये खुशी का मौका है बिकॉज मेरा चैनल मोनेटाइज हो गया है. एंड बहुत दिनों बाद एक और वीडियो आया है जो कि full on makeup tutorial hai. So yeah, I am so pumped up to create this video and to create this look. So if you want to see how I created this look, do keep on watching. Alright, to start this makeup, of course मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि मॉइस्चराइज करना, नो मैटर आपकी ऑयली स्किन है या ड्राई स्किन है, मॉइस्चराइज करना बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो मेरा ऑलरेडी मॉइस्चराइजेशन ऑन है, सनस्क्रीन ऑन है, बट स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू मॉइस्चराइज इट मोर, क्योंकि मेकअप करते वक्त इतना सारा मेकअप होता है तो नीचे स्किन, वैसे भी मेरी ड्राई स्किन है, तो अगर मॉइस्चराइज अच्छे से नहीं किया तो केकी लगेगा मेकअप. सो फॉर दैट आज हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे इनिसफ्री ग्रीन टी सीरम. This is a green tea seed serum. This is very nice. I have been recently using this serum and I'm in love with this. So I'm gonna take a couple of drops onto my fingers. I'm gonna rub this all around my face. Alright, my moisturization is done. Now let's move on to the primer, and for that I am using the Calabar primer. Again, this is one of my favorite primer to use because this just gives that flawless satiny feel to the face and pores वगैरह सब अच्छे से cover कर लेता है. So I really like this drugstore primer. Alright, next video के लिए मैंने कुछ सोचा है. I have been seeing few videos online and उसमें से कुछ इंस्टाग्राम में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व हूँ, सो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा रील्स देखे हैं जो कि बहुत फेमस उसमें से people are doing hacks for makeup. So if you want to see a video where I will create a look using all the hacks that are getting famous, let me know if you want to see this and put your comments below and I will try to create that video for you guys. Alright, now we are going to start off with our eyes and like I always do, मैं हमेशा करती हूँ eyebrows पहले फिर eyes. So let's start with the eyebrows. So for eyebrows today I am gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is a product which recently got launched and इसका मैंने रिव्यू भी किया है मेरे चैनल में. I'm gonna put the link here somewhere या नीचे भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको इसका लिंक रिव्यू का मिल जाएगा. एंड ये प्रोडक्ट मैंने फुली रिव्यू किया है तो आप देख सकते हैं. एक स्पूली ले लिया है एंड इसमें I'm gonna take out the product like this and I'm gonna brush my brows with this. I'm gonna use मेरे छोटू मेरा and just gonna brush. आजकल वो स्पार्क आईब्रोज बहुत ट्रेंड में है एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई ऑल्सो लव क्रिएटिंग दैट स्ट्रेची काइंड ऑफ लुक विद द स्पार्क ब्राउज. सो जिनके बहुत ज़्यादा टेल है विद द ब्राउज, दे आर उसको हटा देते हैं ईदर थ्रू threading or through razor. So what I do is मैंने भी मेरा टेल जो है ब्राउज का ज़्यादा नहीं बट थोड़ा सा हटा लिया है. Now that my hair are all set on my brows, बारी है इसको fill करने की and create करने की वही elongated stretchy eyebrow look, spark eyebrow look. So for that I am using the Maybelline 24 Nudes eyeshadow palette. इसमें से दो कलर्स जो मेरे बिल्कुल बिल्कुल फेवरेट है, जिसको मैं हमेशा दिस इज़ माई गो टू पैलेट विथ विच आई क्रिएट माई ब्राउज. तो यहाँ पे एक ब्राउन शेड आपको दिख रहा है. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट टू क्रिएट आईब्रोज एंड द डार्क ब्राउन. सो आई यूज़ बोथ ऑफ दीज two colors to create my eyebrows all the time. And this is the situation of my brush bag. Let me know guys if you want to see my makeup artist kit and what I use, what I have in my makeup artist kit. I would really love to show you guys. So if you would like to see कि क्या सारा ताम झाम और क्या सारा सामान है मेरे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट किट में, प्लीज़ कमेंट नीचे करिए एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली पोस्ट अ वीडियो अबाउट व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आई हैव इन माय मेकअप आर्टिस्ट किट. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द आउटर कॉर्नर and I'm not gonna make that tail here नीचे की तरफ, but I'm gonna just put a little bit like ऊपर की तरफ. I'm gonna focus more. This is what I'm doing it with the darker brown shade. Now I'm gonna take the lighter brown shade. I'm just gonna fill it again and just gonna very lightly आगे I'm just gonna put a little bit, and then with the help of my spoolie I'm gonna just brush it out. So this is how it is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eyebrow and come back. Okay, so my Spark inspired eyebrows are ready. It's not that straight, but straighter than before, you know what I mean. Now moving on to the concealer, I am using the Born This Way concealer. This is one of my favorite concealer, and this is what I also use for my kit. So yeah, this is perfect to create that, you know, smudged look and everything, and it's also perfect for the eyeshadow base. For all the products and shade details, please see the description box and you will find every details in there. Now I'm gonna take my concealer brush and I'm just gonna start concealing my brows as well as my entire eyes. Alright, moving on to the shadow, as I am gonna create that colorful and very bright eyeshadow look. सारा shadow का color होना ज़रूरी है, right? Especially the pinks and the orange and the yellows. So for that I'm using the Makeup Revolution Tammy X palette. इसमें बहुत सारे अलग beautiful shades हैं, जैसे कि आपको जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. तो I'm gonna start with the pink shade right over here and we are gonna deposit it inside from the inner corner of my eyes towards, we're gonna blend that towards the mid of the eyes. Now as we have the pink deposits, we are gonna take the orange from the palette and I'm gonna place this on the outer corner of my eyes. Now you can also see that I have so much space when I have done this kind of eyebrows, and this is looking so good. Alright, now that the orange is also in place, it's time to put the yellow, but yellow के लिए same brush तो इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि look at the हालत of the brush. Alright, so उसके लिए fresh brush लेके I'm just gonna apply the yellow to the middle. This is my version of summer colors, and I, to be honest, love these shades and blend इतने अच्छे से होते हैं ये shades together because they are from the same color family, warm shades which are perfect for summer look. So guys, for this look I'm gonna create a winged cat liner. Yes, and I'm in love with that liner shape, and for that I am using the Faces Canada this is Ultimate Pro eyeliner, and this is like my favorite eyeliner because it's like one swipe and you're done. So finally I have done both the eyes of my cat eyes, because यार वो क्या होता है ना, विंग एक ऊपर लग जाए या थोड़ा नीचे लग जाए तो वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है मैनेज करना. I have to like we need to like remove everything again and create it, but thankfully थोड़ा मोटा पतला हो गया था, but फाइनली हो गया है. Alright, now both the eyes are ready. It's time to add some glow to the eyes, you know, because glow के बिना कोई भी आई शेडो अच्छा नहीं लगता. इट्स माई न्यू फाउंडिंग लव, यू नो. ब्राइडल करते करते मेरे साथ ये हो गया है कि मुझे थोड़ा बहुत ग्लो तो चाहिए होता है, कुछ भी हो जाए. So for that I'm gonna use my Europe Girl highlighter palette. So this is all the shades that I have in this palette, and this is Magic from the palette, and I'm gonna just add it to my brow bone. Okay, I have some unwanted extra hair right here which I needed to shave to get that sparse look more better. But हाँ, थोड़ी सी बाल extra है यहाँ पे, which now I can see after creating this look again. Now it's time to do my color corrector, and for that, of course, हमेशा की तरह LA Girl color corrector. Now that my color corrector is all set, it's time to do my foundation, and for that I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is in the shade NC30. I'm gonna just shake the foundation very well, and isko bhi I'm gonna just take, like, this is what we use, and for hygiene purpose I use it. I just, you know, clean it and then I use it. I don't put everything inside the bottle and stuff because I also use this for my clients and I don't want it to get you know, very dirty or unhygienic. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of product onto my palette. Gonna take my foundation brush and gonna apply it on to the areas, like my entire face, of course. Not to only particular area but to the entire face. Now with the help of a blending brush, this is a fluffy brush, to blend out the foundation, I'm gonna blend out everything onto my face. So now that the foundation is also done on my face, and look at this eyes, I am in love with it already. I'm gonna again take my concealer and I'm gonna apply to brighten my face up a little bit, like a very tiny bit of it. Why I'm doing this is because I would like that, you know, cheekbone to be snatched and look perfect. So I'm gonna do, like, create a snatched cheekbone look. I'm just gonna blend everything out with the help of my blender. Now let's powder this face and seal the deal. For powdering, I have the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. This is in the shade Latte. इसको लेते हैं and इससे हम लोग powder करेंगे पूरे face पे. So I'm just gonna take out my powder brush and just gonna take this and powder my face. So now it's time to do the contour, the blush, the highlighter and whatnot, and for that I have the Smashbox Kelly Contour palette, and this is a beautiful palette with everything in here, and I use this palette for my bridals and I am in love with this. So let's take out my you know, contour brush. This is what I will contour it with, and the first shade I'm taking is a contour shade. So from starting from the starter, like the tip of my ear till the, you know, outer corner of my eye, I'm gonna contour. जब भी आप, एक तो मैं पता नहीं क्यों फ्रेम से बाहर चली जाती हूँ मेकअप करते हुए, because I think this is how I wanted to do my makeup. My makeup and मैं स्क्रीन से बाहर लटक जाती हूँ, मुझे ऐसा फील होता है. And now I'm gonna do my forehead contour. Can you guys see? Okay, so forehead contour. So guys, just to let you guys know that we are taking bookings for bridal and party makeup for the next season of bridal season, which is gonna come up. So if you guys want to book me and want to come and do your makeup and get you ready on your bridal day, you can do that. I'm gonna put everything, like all the details, in the description box. तो आप लोग प्लीज़ जाएं, देखें. एंड मैं अपना मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का जो पेज है, जो वेबसाइट है, उसको भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूँगी. तो आप प्लीज़ जाके देखिए मेरा काम. एंड अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ बुक करें मेरा मेकअप. इफ़ यू वांट कि मैं आपके ब्राइडल डे में, आपके मेन डे में आके आपका मेकअप करूँ और आपको तैयार करूँ, तो प्लीज़ गो अहेड एंड चेक दैट आउट एज वेल. लेट्स जस्ट डू द ब्लश. आई एम यूजिंग द सेम brush to do so. Just gonna smile and gonna put my blush on. Now let's get on with some highlight, and for that again I'm gonna use the Europe Girl highlighter palette and take that same shade. And for that I'm gonna use this brush, because this is one of my favorite brush from the kit and I use it for everything. आज पता नहीं क्यों मैंने ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किया इसको, but I'm just gonna look at that highlight and this brush. Oh my god, how pretty. लग रही हूँ ना मैं goddess, like just dipped in the highlighter goddess. अरे इंडिया में गॉडेसेस को वो गोल्डन वाला वो नहीं लगा देते पिंक, वैसा लग रहा है. Anyways, moving on, and let's do my lower lashes. And for that, Makeup Revolution Tammy X का palette वापस से निकाल लिया है मैंने. And I'm gonna just take a very drop shadow brush. I'm just gonna take the orange and I'm just gonna put the orange here as my drop shadow. And I'm just gonna take the yellow and I'm just gonna give it a halo kind of a look. Alright, let's move on with the lips, as now I have almost everything ready. For the lip liner, I am gonna use the Nykaa Lipstone lip liner. This is in the shade Pillow Fight. This is one of my favorite lip liner shade for nude lips. So let's just start by lining up my lips. Alright, now the lining up of my lips are done. I'm gonna just use now a lipstick, and for that I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. Hello, there is no shade number, I think it's 15, but I'm gonna find out and I'm gonna put in the description box, so please do check that out. I'm gonna use this because it's my personal lipstick. I am directly using it. Alright, now the lipstick and the liner is in place. It's time to do my gloss, and for that I'm using the Kiko Milano Ultimate Unlimited Double Touch. This is the lipstick though, but I'm only gonna use the gloss part. I use this for my clients, so I'm gonna only take it to my palette, and from there I'm gonna use it with the help of a brush. So guys, this is my final look. So this is my final look. It took me, I think, 2 hours and counting, and I'm finally done with my look, and I'm gonna take off these clips and I'm gonna show you my final result. So guys, if you like the look, I'm sure you guys will love it because I am loving it. So if you can't stop laughing. So if you guys like the look, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Your likes make so much difference to the videos, so do like the video, and also comment below and let me know what you think about this look. If you would like to create it, recreate it, and then post it on your stories tagging me, I will definitely going to put it on my stories. So do that. Follow on my social media, follow me, subscribe me in this channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, which is going to come up very very soon. So whatever you want to see in my next video, do comment below and let me know. I'll see you in my next video. Till then,